Welcome back, scholars. Hey, we're going to start working on this one here. So if I add my rubies, I've already read the problem to you, and you should have already read it too, so we can scratch out the rubies portion. The next thing I'm going to be looking at is the pin, and here on the pin, I'm going to go ahead and underline the things that I think are very important. It's $1.75 for the first mile, $1.05 for each additional mile, and then how far can I travel? How far travel for 20, and then tips cab driver 250. Those are important things to me. I just did the U. I'm going to go ahead and clear the screen because I'm going to need to go on to the next portion. So the next portion I hit is, what are the multiple parts of this problem to consider? That's my barfing up. What do I know? All right, I know this. The total money I spent is $20. The cost of the first mile is $1.75. I also know that we're going to pay a tip of $2.50. And then after the first mile, each mile after that is $1.05. Now, one of the ways we can go ahead and answer this is to say, I've already spent the $1.75 for my first mile, and I've already paid my tip, which is $2.50. That tells me that I've spent $4.25. So now I can do the second equation, which is going to be $4.25 plus $1.05, which equals $5.30. Now I can go through this all the way through. It's going to take a little bit longer. I usually do it a different way, but I'm going to show you that we get the same answer doing it this way and the other way. You're going to see that we get a total of 16 miles that we use here for $20. So Miss Leslie can travel 16 miles for 20 bucks. All right. So let's go to the next one. Next slide. On the next slide, I'm going to show you how I usually do it. All right. You know me, I'm visual, so I need to see this. So I draw myself a strip or tape here. I'm going to put my tip, which is $2.50. Then I'm going to put my first mile, which is $1.75, right? And then each mile after that, all the way up to 16, is going to be $1.05, okay? So what do I do first? Well, I take what I know, which is my $20, and I subtract the tip and the first mile, which leaves me $15.75. I then take that $15.75 and I divide it by $1.05. Now I'm going to pause the video here. What is the number of miles I will get if I divide $15.75 by $1.05? Excellent. Yes, you will get 15 miles. So I can take 1 times 105. That gives me 52. I can't take that off, so I bring down the 5. But I can divide 105 into 525, which gives me 5, which gives me a 525. There's 0 remainder. So I know I have 15 miles that I can use. So I'm going to pay 15 miles at $1.05. Now remember, we've already paid for the first mile at $1.75. So that's a total of 16 miles Miss Leslie can travel on 20 bucks. Hey guys, I hope that you had a chance to talk to your partner to see how they did it, and you showed them how you did it, and you came up with this answer. We're going to go to the second problem. This second problem, you're going to be working individually. So I want you to take the time to go back to your chair, look at this problem. Again, I'm going to give you 8 minutes, but this time you're working by yourself, and this happens to be one about pumpkins and squash. I'll see you in 8 minutes. Talk to you later.